Hey Mommy and Daddy, can I put up a party?
No, we cannot.
But why?
Because you're still grounded. Go to your room right now.
Come on, Daddy and George. Let's go to the supermarket and buy stuff.
This is my chance to have a party with my friends. I will put the balloons up and invite my friends. This party is awesome. Now let's invite my friends. Okay, thank you. Bye. All my friends are here. Let's dance.
How dare you have a party and invite all your friends? That's it. All Peppa's friends go home.
What is all the noise and why is the birthday stuff in the house?
Peppa invited all her friends and had a party.
Oh, Peppa. How dare you invite all your friends and had a party? That's it. You are grounded for 2 years. Go to your room.
Hey Mommy and Daddy, can I put up a party?
No, we cannot.